嗨，大家好我现在要乘胜追击继续录第二首歌，然后这一首歌它叫做 Payphone， 然后它是 Maroon 5的歌。我很喜欢这首歌，因为它在刷弹的技巧上面会让人觉得真的很像在弹吉他，可是因为我没有练熟，所以我待会儿只会唱一小点。好，但事不宜迟，我现在来弹这首 Maroon 5给大家听。I'm at a payphone trying to go home. Where are the change I spent on you? Where are the times gone, baby, it's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more still be love song, I'll be sick. I'm at the payphone. 好，是这样，谢谢大家。